How to check Access bank account number via SMS by Bank Business. In this video, I will show you how to check Access bank account number via SMS, along with other methods to check Access bank account number and answers to common questions related to checking your account number. How to check Access bank account number with USSD code is one of the most easiest methods. These short codes allow you to access specific services on your mobile device. Dial 901# on your mobile phone. Select Inquiry Services. Select for a See No Inquiry. Enter your PIN. Your Access bank account number will be displayed on your screen. To check Access bank account number via SMS, dial 901# on your mobile phone. Select Inquiry Services, select a See No Inquiry, and enter your PIN. You will receive your account via SMS immediately. Frankly speaking, knowing how to check Access bank account number via SMS is necessary for all the Access Bank customers because it will help them to retrieve their account number anywhere and anytime they need it. Apart from checking your Access bank account number via SMS, there are other ways or methods to check it. How to check Access bank account number on mobile app. Access Bank offers a mobile app that provides easy access to your account information, including your account number. Log into your Access Bank mobile app. Click on Menu. Click on Account Officer. Your Access bank account number will be displayed on the app's home screen. How to check it on Internet Banking. Visit the Access Bank Internet Banking portal and log in. Click on the Accounts tab in the menu. Select the specific account for which you want to retrieve the account number. You will see your Access Bank account number by visiting Access Bank branch. If you find yourself unable to retrieve your account number through the above methods, you can always visit the nearest Access Bank branch. To expedite the process, bring along a valid form of identification and essential account details, such as your BVN. At the bank, meet the customer care representative. Tell the person to help you check your account number for you. Provide any document they will request from you. Definitely, the customer care representative will give you the account number. How to check Access bank account number. To check your Access bank account number, visit a branch or ATM, provide your details, and follow the instructions to receive your account number or dial *901#. Select Inquiry. Select a See No Inquiry Services. Remember to keep your information confidential for security.